Is your brand new MacBook Neo display acting up, brightness jumping up and down, or the screen suddenly dimming mid-project? Let's check out the best ways to fix MacBook Neo brightness issues, from quick settings, tweaks, to advanced system refresh. The most common culprit is actually a feature called auto brightness. Click the Apple logo, then go to System Settings or System Preferences, then scroll down to Displays and uncheck Automatically Adjust Brightness. If your screen only dims when you unplug your charger, the issue is in your battery settings. Go to Battery. Next, click on Options. Look for Slightly Dim the Display while on battery power and uncheck it. This prevents the MacBook Neo from forcing a dim screen just to save a bit of power. If the sliders are missing or the keyboard buttons aren't working, we need to restart the background process that controls the backlight. Open Activity Monitor via Spotlight Search. Select the CPU tab and search for Core. Find Core Brightness D, double-click on it, and then hit Sample Option. Put down the screen lock if prompted, and then click on the Refresh button and then save it. macOS will immediately restart this process, which often clears any glitches, preventing your MacBook Neo brightness from responding. Sometimes the default color profile gets corrupted. We can fix this by creating a custom one. Go to Displays, Color Profile, Customize. Click the plus icon to start the calibration assistant. Follow the prompts to set your white point and brightness levels manually. Saving a custom profile can force the MacBook Neo display to adhere to your specific brightness requirements. If none of these worked, it might be a deeper system bug. Apple frequently releases patches for display glitches. Check System Settings, from there go to General, then go to Software Update and ensure you are on the latest version of macOS. Hopefully, you will no longer face any brightness issues on your Mac Neo. If this helped you, stay with Fix 369 for more tech tips.